Here is our scanner, which enables us to create 3D models of real objects. We have two parts made from the same design. One has a defect, while the other is defect-free. It is practically impossible to visually detect the difference without assistance. However, our 3D scanner can identify the defect. Let's scan the part to detect the defect. We initiate the scanning process and observe its progress. One scan is completed in less than 2 minutes. Our scanner utilizes visible light technology, a product of our in-house development that includes hardware and software. It comprises a projector, a camera, and a rotating table. The technology allows us to achieve a reconstruction accuracy of up to 0.1 millimeter. Now we can see our model. We obtain a complete model by scanning from a different position and combining the two scans. The combination occurs automatically using our algorithm. Here are the results of the combination. Now let's inspect and compare it with the CAD design. The differences in the design are highlighted in red. This approach can be used for any manufacturing component validation, enabling the detection of costly and disruptive defects without much manual work. The scanner is also helpful for packaging quality inspection. Packaging inspection is complex, requiring frequent design changes and common issues such as defects and damage. 3D scanning solutions provide a 360-degree view of the quality of your product, recognizing various defects. Here is an example of defect-free packaging. We can place it in the scanner and obtain a 3D model with high quality and clear textures. Let's examine the scanned model. We use AI computer vision to automatically recognize text on texture unwraps. It recognizes and reads barcodes and dimensional parameters of the object, such as height, width, and depth. We can see any defects in that package just as expected. Now let's intentionally add defects by covering a part of the text in the barcode and changing the height of the packaging. Let's scan it again and observe the results. The system has recognized missing barcode, missing text, and height is out of range. This indicates a severe packaging process problem. We assess size, shape, text, and design, and read vital packaging details like barcodes and lot numbers. This solution helps enhance your product and provides insightful analytics to deliver the best quality.